Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to learn how to multiply a matrix by a scalar. Let's say we have a matrix with elements A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Let's say we have a scalar A. When we talk about a scalar, we just mean a constant value that we're going to multiply the matrix by. So let's call this matrix C. So if A is a scalar and C is a matrix, what will be A multiplied by C? So remember, A is a scalar. So let me use a different color. So what we do is that the scalar multiplies each element of this matrix. So we're going to have the scalar A, we multiply by element A, and then the same scalar A multiplied by the element B, the same case to C, the same case to D, the same case to E, and then it will still multiply element F, the same case to G, the same case to H, and the same case to I. So simply the scalar multiplies each and every element of a matrix. So let's look at one or two examples. If we have a matrix 2, 1, 4, 3, -1, -2, 0, -7, and 8, and then we multiply it by a scalar, let's say 5. So what will be 5 multiplied by this matrix? So we have said that we're going to multiply 5 by every element of this matrix. So we're going to have 5 multiplied by 2 to give us 10, and then 5 multiplied by 1 to give us 5, and then we multiply it by 4 to give us 20. We still multiply it by 3 to give us 15, by -1 to give us -5, -2 by 5 to give us -10, and 0 by 5 to give us 0. 5 by -7 will have -35, and then 5 by 8 to give us 40. So the scalar can also be a negative number or even a fraction. So let's look at how to work it out if the scalar is a negative number. For example, if we have a scalar of, let's say our scalar now is -3, and our matrix is 3, -1. Let me this time round use a 2 by 2 matrix, and then 0, -5. So this will give us -3 by 3. This will give us -9, and then -1 by -3 will give us 3, and then by 0 this will be 0, and then -3 by -5 will give us 15. What about if the scalar is a fraction? Let's look at that. So let's say we have a scalar of 2/3. Let's say our scalar this time round is 2/3, and then we're going to multiply it, and then we're going to multiply it by a matrix -3, 0, 1, 9, 7, -6. So let's multiply this. So we're going to multiply 2/3 by -3. So that will give us -2. Then 2/3 by 0 will give us 0. And then 2/3 by 1 will give us 2/3. And then 2/3 by 9 will give us 6. And then 2/3 by 7 will give us 14/3. And then 2/3 by -6 will give us -4.